So we've had a huge update to this streaming app, bringing it loads of free movies, loads of free TV shows, the usual stuff, but it's now been added to the UK as well. So it's been brought to the UK. It's been huge in America for a long, long time. We've been able to use it in the UK by using possibly a VPN or sideloading it, but now we can install it directly in the UK. And I'm going to go into it any second now. Before we do that though, if you're brand new here, do hit that follow button. We will cover everything streaming for you. Ideally free streaming, that's the target, keeping things free and saving you money on the way. So hit that follow button and let me know your thoughts on this one. So many of you may know of Tubi TV, Tubby TV, however you want to call it. Tubi TV is a free streaming app available, and the good thing about Tubi TV is always had lots of good content. The American version had loads of content. Now there's a UK version with tons of films in here. Tons of films you would even recognise as well. And they're all here for you to watch. And they're not just small films, they're great films. You know, Olympus Has Fallen, Pacific Rim, Kill Bill, Happy Gilmore, Child's Play, Kill Bill, I can't even say it. Tons and tons of stuff in here, okay? There is tons of stuff. There's loads of horrors, sci-fis. You will recognise lots and lots of films. Instead of a lot of these free applications, you don't recognise the films, and they are sort of applications you don't know about. Good thing is, you don't have to sign up. You don't have to sign up to use it. And it's only going to get bigger on this platform for this country. Obviously, let me know if you've got it in your country as well. It's available on Firesticks, where I'm demonstrating, Android TVs, mobile phones, all like that. You've got your category section, so you can actually look at what you want and what you're looking for. There's going to be more added over the next however long, but it's great that we now have the option in the UK to be able to use it ourselves as well. Okay, so you can log in if you want to. If you log in, for example, if you logged in, then you would be able to save what you're watching and have a watch list, that sort of stuff. So the options are there. Obviously, when you want to watch something, you can just click on it. It will play. Again, like I say, sign up to save progress, which is free, but you don't have to. So you push play. And there we go. We're in. It will have an advert on it. I've pixelated it for copyright purposes. It will have an advert, but we do not mind adverts when something is free. That's the whole thing. You know, if something's free, you have adverts, that's fine. If something is paid for, it shouldn't have adverts, and that's the annoying thing. So it is Tubi TV. There we go. And now you don't need to worry about the sideload in the UK. You can just search it. Again, this is already available in America if you want to try it, and the range of films in America is different and huge. So you search Tubi on your device, click it and install it. Great update for you there, guys. I hope you like that one. I just wanted to cover it really quickly for you. I know a couple of YouTubers brought it out yesterday, but I already had videos lined up yesterday. So I wanted to make sure you guys were all aware of it, and it's available for you guys. So do hit that subscribe button. If you still wanted to access other versions of it, or if you're watching outside the UK or the USA, you would need a VPN. If you're after that VPN, we will link a couple underneath for you as well that you can test out. Obviously, I'm going to be testing this Tubi version to see if we can use a VPN to change it to the American version and back to front. But we're going to work on that over the next few days. And if that happens, I'll show you how it all works. So do make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, check out the rest of the videos, and I'll see you soon.